Kanti ucoach Orlando Pirates enkulumeni ebenayo ngesikhathi ephawula ngomdlalo obuphakathi kwe-Orlando Pirates kanye namaZulu FC lapho khona lama-team amabili abambene khona bhuquzisana umdlalo wagcina uphethe ngo-0-0. Kanti ucoach Orlando Pirates uJosi ukuvezile ukuthi ukwehlala kakhulu phansi kwabadlali bosuthu nokwemiswa kakhulu komdlalo obuphakathi kwe-Orlando Pirates namaZulu kwenze ukuthi iPirates ingakori futhi kuyikhinyabezile ekuthenini ingadlali ngendlela ebekulindeleke ukuthi idlale ngayo.
I think we start very well with a good rhythm in our pressing, in the high block. We managed, we managed to create chances early in the game, but not capitalizing those chances. I have the feeling that we were fully in control in the first period of the first half. After the amount of interruptions, I think today I'm not used to say anything about it, but I think today was too much, in my opinion. And our rhythm depth in that period of interruptions and subs and physios coming to the field, I don't know. I think it was a crazy number, the amount of times that the players need attention today. The goalkeeper, I think he was injured the whole 90 minutes. I hope he's getting better. So in the end, these type of scenarios are not good for football, in my opinion. In the end, we got 5 minutes extra time in the first half, 6 minutes in the second half, but it doesn't matter. Even if you get 15, the rhythm is broken already and it's difficult to come back, and you can see that the team paid a bit that lack of concentration in the end of the first half. Second half, we try again, and I think it was even more under control because we managed to conquer the spaces behind the line. Was the lack maybe in the first half, our deficit. We play a lot in front of the back five but not behind, but in the second half we managed to use the spaces behind the zonals and behind the wingbacks. We have chances, and I think it's not a 0-0 performance, that's 100% sure, but at the same time, like I said already many times, this is not almost a scoring game, it's a scoring game. If it's about almost a scoring game, we are winning every game, but we need to capitalize what we create and finish, and the guys are trying as much as possible, and I said to them already inside that I think we're doing a lot of things very well, and that's something that will pay sooner than later.